We made it to Kenai Princess Lodge. I just posted pictures on my Facebook about it. But we were here. I'm standing on. We got our own deck. Look at this, guys. We got our own deck. We got chairs. Sit on here. Beautiful. The only problem is that trail there is closed because they have a bear sighting. So until they make sure he's moved on, that trail's not usable right now. So there's a bear around here. Then this is the bedroom area. Right, here's the bedroom. This is nice. This is better than all the other lodges we stayed at. Here's the bathroom area. And what the best part is, you walk in here, we got a wood stove, and we got a living room with a TV and a table, so we can sit here. They give us some fire starters up here, so we can have a fire if we want. Book of matches, which is empty. You want to come in here now? You want to go this way? Bathroom. Bedroom. This is the view out through our sliding doors. There's the woods outside, and there's a Alaskan fly. Exterior of our area. We're in 702 there. There's 701. The lodges. And we walk out here and then we look up. Look at the mountain. Chukash mountain range right here. This is our last stop before we get on a cruise ship. This is technically our last night on land in Alaska, right here. Tomorrow morning, we get on the boat. They'll take us to Whitaker and we get on the boat. And I lost my wife already. She's hurrying me along and she disappeared. Yeah, we're kind of tucked in here. Oh, here she comes. She forgot our itinerary. Look at the mountain there, though. Isn't that cool?